So today I'm going to show you how to quickly transfer money to your Vanguard brokerage account. So what we're going to do is go onto the computer and show you here in real time how to go through this process. So here on the main dashboard of Vanguard, I'm currently logged in, and what we're going to do is hover over to where you see my accounts, and then what we're going to do is kind of drive down over here to where you see buy and sell. So we're going to click on here, and it's going to give us a bunch of different options. So I want to click on this option right here that says set up an automatic transfer. Even if you don't have a bank account already, don't worry. It takes you to this page here that has a lot of different options. And what we want to do is click on here where it says bank information. I already have one, so it says active. But what I'm going to do is just go ahead and show you. Click on here. And for me, I currently have my bank already here added into my account. Now, as you can see here, we have the option to go ahead and add a new bank. So if you don't have any bank accounts, this will definitely be easy to see. And if you already have some, you can just go ahead and click this and add that new account. You can also delete and edit different accounts if you already have something on there, but this is the way to add a bank onto your account, so that way you can go ahead and start transferring money into your account. So what you can do now as well is also go through the opportunity to establish an automatic transfer. So what you can do is once you add your bank, you can click on establish automatic transfer, and then from here what you can do is you can click on an add automatic transfer option, so that way that money can start getting moved into your Vanguard account. Now if you already have funds set up, you can actually have that money go directly into your funds instead of your settlement account, so that way your money can start working for you directly as your money comes into your account. So if you do that, you can click on add automatic transfers, and you can see which option you want to choose from the different accounts you might have on file. So if we go ahead and click on my main account over here, it's going to give us the option right over here to go ahead, because it's an IRA, it'll show us the actual amount that we have to contribute left. But what we do is we scroll down here and we have the option to choose that bank we just added, how often we want to actually have that money coming in. You could do every month, year, every week, 2 weeks, or twice a month, however you want to see fit. You can tell it when you want to start depositing, if you want it on like a Tuesday or a Wednesday, how long you want to do it for, so a specific amount, and then or specific time date. And then right over here, you can do how much you want every single month. So this would be $50 once a month. If we switch over to every week, it'll be $50 per week, or we can drop that down to like $15 per week, however that works for us. And then what we could do is we could allocate our investments by dollar, percentage, or equally. Now, because I have a couple of funds right over here, it is going to give me some options. If you don't have funds already chosen, you will just see this Vanguard Federal Money Market Fund. So that's where you can go ahead and click on here, and you can have that $15 automatically going into this account, which then can be distributed to whatever stocks or ETFs you have, or even index funds. Or what you can also do too is, like I said, you can have it clicked over here instead, and just have that $15 going in directly to the funds that you already have on file or are planning to add as well. So either way works for you. You can add it to your settlement fund if you want to, or you can add it to your actual funds if you already have them in your account. So once we figure out that we want to go ahead and just put it into our settlement fund, we can go ahead and click on continue down here. And then what it's going to do is it's going to ask us to review and then submit. So this is not official yet until we go through this process. So we double check to make sure that that's exactly what we want. Here it's going to estimate how much we have left going in for the remainder of the year. And if we keep that going, how much we're going to have for the following year as well. If everything looks good, you can click on submit. It will give you a confirmation number, and that way everything will get started for you on the earliest possible transfer for you, however you have it set up. It'll go into your account balance, and then that way you can distribute it however you see fit. Now, if you want to keep on learning more when it comes to Vanguard and all the different processes that you can take, check out my next video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in that next video.